Afternoon, all. Sun will be down in about an hour. But here's our small trough garden that we planted a week ago. And look at how good they're doing. Here's the evergreen bunching onions. We got a stray. We'll leave them in there. It'll be alright. And over there is the sweet basil. Now it's only been a week. Look how nice they come up. Ain't that amazing? I'm going to give them a little bit of water. Now you got to be a little bit careful when you're watering these young onions right here. You splash them with too much water, they'll get knocked down. They won't come back up. So take and just sprinkle the water on them. You don't leave these out in the rain, because that rain will knock them down too and they won't come back up. There we go. They'll do alright now. Put some water in the corners there. Your roots will spread out to that water. We'll have us some nice onions in about a month or two. Now, these ones right here, they're a little bit more stout. Put a lot of water on them. Didn't take long for these seeds to sprout. Just a week and this is where we're at. Put a little bit more water in these guys. Come on. They need a lot of water. The sun will dry them out real quick. So you want to sprinkle the water on them every day. Those onions and sweet basil. That's going to add some good flavor to our fish and our meats. Don't let these go. You forget about them. And they'll dry up in the sunshine. Keep the water on them. They'll have a good life. They'll help you out. Oop, knocked the sign down. There we go. Okay. That's good right there. I hear a siren in the background. Somebody's having a bad day. But here we are with our little garden. Our day ain't bad. Pour a little water on the edges there. Just a little bit of water on the edges so their roots will spread out. There we go. I'm going to set them under the eaves again. And that way, when the rain comes, they won't destroy these fine vegetables right here. They won't flood them out. We're going to sneak up on them birds over there. Yeah, I'm going to put the camera over there by the bird feeders. And we're going to see what they look like. I hope they don't run off. Give me a sec to move the camera.